Today I'm going to teach you how to find hidden folders in Outlook email. So I'm starting by opening my Microsoft Outlook app on my computer. Once the app launches, I'm logging into my account so all my emails can load properly. I'll just wait a moment here while everything syncs up and my inbox appears on the screen. This might take a few seconds depending on how many emails you have, but once it's done, you'll see your full inbox ready to go. Now that everything's loaded, I'm heading over to the inbox pane where all my emails and email folders are listed. This is the area on the left side of Outlook where you'll see your inbox, sent items, drafts, and any other folders you've created. The process for finding hidden folders in Outlook is actually pretty straightforward once you know where to look. What I'm going to do now is right-click on the email account where I want to find the hidden folder. So I'm clicking directly on the account name itself, not on any specific folder underneath it. As soon as I right-click, a context menu pops up with several options. From this menu, I'm looking for the option that says IMAP Folders. Once I spot it, I'm clicking on IMAP Folders. This opens up a new window called the Folder Query window. And this is where Outlook gives you access to all the folders associated with your email account, including the ones that are normally hidden from view in your main inbox pane. Now from this folder query window, I'm simply clicking on Query to reveal all email folders and subfolders. When I click that, Outlook starts searching and displaying every folder connected to my account. This includes folders you might not see in your regular inbox view because they're hidden by default or weren't synced automatically. You'll see the full list appear right here in the window, and you can scroll through to find any folder you've been looking for. This is especially helpful if you've created custom folders in the past or if certain folders were set to hidden and you need to access them again. Once the query finishes, you can go through the list and select any folder you want to unhide or work with. And that's all there is to it. You opened Outlook, logged into your account, right-clicked on your email account name in the inbox pane, selected IMAP Folders from the context menu, and clicked Query to reveal all your hidden folders and subfolders. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.